viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you a delicious breakfast recipe with fenugreek leaves, homemade paneer and cheese. For making this recipe I have taken 2 cheese cube and half bunch fenugreek leaves, homemade paneer from half liter milk. Crumble the paneer into small pieces. Set aside. We need 2 onions, 2 chili, garlic cloves and a slice of lemon. Let the kadai heat up, then add a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add chopped onion, then add the sliced chili. Saute for few seconds, then add chopped garlic. I have taken 5 cloves of garlic. Next add the crumbled paneer. Reduce the heat, add half teaspoon salt and I'll add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add the fenugreek leaves and cover the paneer with fenugreek leaves. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid. Give a good mix. We have to well combine the fenugreek leaves with paneer. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Then add juice of 1/4 part lemon slice. Lemon is important for this recipe. Give a good mix. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. See, our yummy methi paneer stuffing is ready. Now turn on the heat. Put a tawa. Add a teaspoon oil. Spread the oil into the tawa. Then add a refined flour roti. I have made this roti with maida. You can made it with wheat flour also. Now stuff a tablespoon methi paneer bhurji along with a cheese cube. Whenever you will use cheese for this recipe, take it out from fridge before 1 hour. Add spoonful of oil into the tawa and press lightly. Turn it over and fry both sides until it's lightly golden color. Repeat the same process with one more roti. See, our yummy delicious breakfast recipe is done. It's very nutritious and healthy. If you think my recipe is helpful, like, share and subscribe.